Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. Ford's latest offering feels like a transformer, part vehicle and part consumer electronic device. The automaker's 2024 Lincoln Nautilus features a Google-built infotainment platform in the shape of a 40-inch digital dash. However, some critics believe that this is too much, and automakers are cramming more and more infotainment into their vehicles despite safety warnings. Check out our latest video to see what this expansive dash looks like. In other news, NASA and DARPA are testing autonomous software in helicopters. The NASA team loaded 2 helicopters with 5 of the agency's software systems, which were designed to help the helicopters avoid each other. The flight tests demonstrated how NASA could stack multiple technologies to advance automation in a scalable manner. Our recent video highlights how the collected data will help in future applications. Staying airborne, today, numerous companies are taking to the cosmos to usher in a new age of space exploration. From Blue Origin to Virgin Galactic, we did a deep dive into the top 10 biggest space companies in 2024. Recently, the White House announced tens of billions of dollars in proposed aid for Ukraine, but the Biden administration emphasized that these funds would primarily benefit U.S. manufacturers. The $95 billion national security package reportedly includes more than $60 billion for Ukraine, but of that $60 billion, around $39 billion would be directed to U.S. defense companies making missiles, ammunition, and other supplies. Finally, the Department of Energy is allocating $24 million to expand a network of workforce training programs for the nation's energy sector. The money will add more community colleges, trade schools, union training programs, and other initiatives that do not require a 4-year degree. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.